Here's what you need to anchor a tent in concrete: a hammer drill, a hammer and setting tool, and of course the anchor and eye bolt. The first step is to drill the correct diameter hole according to the manufacturer's specifications and drill it to the correct depth. This is accomplished using a hammer drill with a stop device. Remove the excess dust and debris from the hole using any air-powered device. This could be a human with a hose as shown in the video, or an air compressor, or even a can of aerosol air that you use to clean your computer. Drop the anchor into the hole until it reaches the bottom. It may require a light tap from a hammer. Insert the setting tool into the anchor and strike several times with a hammer. This expands the anchor tightly into the hole. Screw the eye bolt into the anchor. Choke the loop end of the web guide through the eye bolt. Make sure the eye bolt is positioned perpendicular to the tent. Then, thread the other end of the web guide into the ratchet and tighten. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. Click right here to learn about our Giphy tent ballast setup.